Welcome to the world headquarters of Bisco Dental Products. We're in Schaumburg, Illinois. It's 15 miles outside of Chicago, and this is where everything at Bisco gets done. We do the manufacturing, the production, the research and development, and the delivery of the product worldwide to you as the dentist. It all comes from here. So we're excited to have you, and we're going to be showing you a variety of parts of Bisco here at the facility. We've got 91,000 square feet. We're going to be meeting the R&D people, the research and development group. We're going to be over in manufacturing and in sales. So we're excited to have you here. So come on board and meet the people at Bisco.
Hi, I'm Carolyn Suh, the Senior Manager of Industry Relations here at Bisco. My team and I are in charge of communicating the Bisco message with the dental industry. We work with the universities, the thought leaders, and the researchers in the dental community to get the word about Bisco's products and our research and science to the community.
Well, the heart of the company really is based on the founder, Dr. Byung Suh. He really has a talent and a drive to challenge all of us, to question our limits, to make sure we're doing the very best and giving the very best towards all aspects of our production here, whether it's manufacturing, quality, new research and development, different customer service programs we have. He's really a person that is admired in the industry and admired in the building.
My name is Byung Suh. I'm CEO or President of the Bisco. Well, Bisco is usually emphasizing materials used in aesthetic or cosmetic dentistry, meaning adhesive and composite or including cement. So we're actually focusing on a certain area where I am expert of it, which is polymer chemistry. Well, most important part of our work is a trustworthy and respectable product for the dentist, and then also who makes the product should be very respectable and trustworthy, and that is what I am trying to strive with the people.
We've had visitors come from universities and around the world comment on the number of high-tech pieces of equipment that we have in the R&D department. And that's one area that we will not ever cut corners on, because that's the basis of the company, is the science and the investigation to see how these different materials are working. And we'll do a lot of that in-house. A lot of our competitors and actually a lot of the universities send some of the testing out because they may not own the equipment. If Dr. Suh or we have other thought leaders or other chemists wanting to know how does this material work versus another material, or how could this work versus in another situation, we can just do that testing that afternoon and find out within a couple of weeks what the results are. So we really have a lot of the technology here at Bisco to do our own research and do our own investigation.
I try and take the existing products that we have and I make them more user-friendly for the dentists. I test products usually according to the ISO standard methods. For color, we use a Hunter machine, which gives us pretty much a three-dimensional matrix of color and tells us how light and dark it is, how red or green it is, how yellow or blue it is. So we can combine all of those colors into one Vita shade, which we take those numbers and we set that up for a standard. And then when our QA/QC department gets a product from production, they make sure it performs and achieves those standards.
R&D is a critical function of Bisco's operations. We are a key function in the development of new products and in maintaining a proprietary position for Bisco in our product development. We also work very closely with the manufacturing department in helping them develop products and transferring technology to manufacturing, and additionally we work closely with QC and QA.
The shipping and production area is involved with taking all the products that we make, inventory them, and set them up for United States delivery as well as worldwide.
Well, if it's a customer that's in the United States, our goal is to ship out the same day they order it, as long as they order before 3 o'clock, and we maintain an adequate inventory to do that 99% of the time. We aim for very high levels of customer service, accurate orders, on-time orders, making their order process very easy and trouble-free.
What we do at Bisco is we really pride ourselves on fresh product. We really try to make sure that because it's chemistry and it's involved with the solution of either adhesives or cements, composites, a variety of materials we make, we know that the freshest product is going to have the best results.
Well, obviously, as a company that's focused on innovation and research and developing new products, the launch of a new product is always very exciting for our company. This year we're launching 4 new products at one show, which is unprecedented, and obviously there was a lot of work that went into that, and I'm so appreciative of everybody who contributed to the efforts. I know that they're probably running on thin right now, but no, it's been great, and I'm so proud of everybody here at Bisco for all the effort that's gone on, and it's really included everybody in the company.
At Bisco, our passion is adhesion, and we're very good at that. We are very proud to be part of Bisco for many reasons, but one of which is that all of our products are innovated here, created, manufactured, and packaged in America. We feel that compatible chemistries and freshness of product do directly correlate to improved clinical outcomes.
I'm proud to be at Bisco because of everything that we represent. We do not cut any corners for the research and development side of our business. We really make sure that we're doing the chemistry and finding out the interaction of the different products that we make so that it's predictable for the dentist. The other thing we really focus in on is service. If you call up anyone at Bisco and talk to them on the phone, they're not just here to take an order. They can explain to you the advantages of a self-etch versus a total etch. They can explain to you the different types of light cure versus dual cure materials. So we really take a lot of pride in the training program that each person has, so when they get a phone call from you in your office and you have a patient in the chair, you need something answered, you don't have to go to 2 or 3 different people. You get an answer right away.
Well, if you want to be successful in any area, that work has to be the one you're enjoying doing it. If you think that is a hard work, if you're not enjoying, then you're not going to be able to be successful. So pick an area that you will be enjoying doing it, and then you'll make it.
Bisco!